Hey everybody, my name's Jason, and today we're going to talk about Django, the Python web framework for perfectionists with deadlines. The first thing we need is Python. Next, we need to get Django. Go here if you don't got it installed already. Let's check a version. Boom, 4.1.1. Where should we put our code? I have a directory called source on my desktop. From that dir, I make dir called my site and then cd into it. Now let's Django. Django-admin start project my site gets it going. Here you can see the scaffolding Django gives us to start building our web app. Running the server lets us see Django is working straight out of the box. Disregard the error here about migrations. We'll deal with that momentarily. To make this project our own, it's time to customize. Now it's important to run the start app command in the same dir as the manage.py file. Python 3 manage.py start app polls. Polls here is the name of the app we want to create. Here you can see the file structure Django gives us when we create the app we call polls. To do stuff, we need to modify our polls view, create a urls.py file in the polls dir, then connect it all together back in my site/urls.py. The Django docs give us the code we can copy paste if we want to. You can see them in the polls app with the views.py file open. And bam! Just like that, we've got a view. There are many ways to do things, sorry to say. To make this view accessible to my site, in this example, we'll need to create a file in the polls directory. They call this file urls.py. And this code comes from the fine folks at Django and doesn't make sense to explain right now. In a different directory from the polls app, now I'm in my site in urls.py. It gets confusing, but hang in there is what I often repeat to myself.